Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Every pharmaceutical company launches its brand new product with a big bang boom. An army of medical representative rotates all across the nation, advertise the newly launched product, suggest to the doctor. Doctors prescribe the same to the patients in order to acquire the valuable feedback, to report about the every side effects, adverse reactions, drug interaction, etc. The data collection, the documentation of all these valuable feedback is done by a pharmacovigilance team department, which monitor about the success rate of any product. And this is how the pharmacovigilance department becomes one of the most crucial and significant department of pharmaceutical company. In order to grab a good position in the same, there are two ways. The first one is the conventional way in which you can pursue your graduation, post-graduation, play for some time in some of the other departments and then switch over to pharmacovigilance. But the second way is quite important because apart from having the knowledge of basic medicines, human physiology, human body, etc., there are certain tasks which has to be performed by a pharmacovigilance ex officio, or we can say representative. That is handling of the data documentation of the drugs, medical physiology, drug regulatory affairs, and some of the technical soft skills like computer handling and much more. So keeping this in view, if you want to grow faster and make your speedy career in pharmacovigilance, if you do a particular certification course in same, then definitely you will grab more attention and more preference in the level of competitions. Let's try to explore out every aspect of some of the certification courses through this video. Eligibility is a bit understandable one because since the task which you need to perform inside the department is obviously related to medicines, health and physiology. So any graduate belonging from a zoology, biotechnology or chemistry background can pursue well for a pharmacovigilance department. And obviously the most prominent one is the pharmacy. So if you are a pharmacy guy, means you have done a graduate, postgraduate, then definitely these certification courses will be much more beneficial for you. Coming to the types of courses, there are basically two types. The first one is the certification course in pharmacovigilance by Simogen, the duration of which is 4 months. Means Simogen is a certification providing firm. Duration is 4 months and fees structure goes from 50,000 to 80,000. The second one is entitled as Post-Graduation Diploma in Pharmacovigilance. Any clinical research based institute can provide a certification course for same. If you need any query on this, just give me a comment in the comment box. I'll answer and help you in this section. And for this PGDPI, the fees goes up to max 1 lakh. The curriculum of these certification courses is fabricated on grounds of 12 fundamental modules. Means you have to undergo 12 modules which has been moderated by experienced faculty members who have gained immense experience in pharmacovigilance department. Some of the highlighted and prominent modules are safety administration and evaluation, data mining, regulatory submissions, toxic sample identification, ease of administration, and some of the reports related to the drug interaction, or we can say side effects. Coming to the institutes, they are not much, but still you have some degree of liberty. If I talk about some of the prominent ones, then ICRI, that is Institute of Clinical Research, situated in Mumbai. IGMPI, that is Institute of Good Manufacturing Practices, situated in Vadodara. Then Clini India, branches of which are situated in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune and Mumbai. And JLI, we can say James Lind Institute, situated in Mumbai. These are some of the prominent ones from where you can pursue a reliable pharmacovigilance certification course. So in a nutshell and in a brief outline, pharmacovigilance department is really a potential one which furnishes you with a sophisticated job profile. In this competitive era, in order to stand out of the crowd, you need some extra stars on your shoulders. And certification course in pharmacovigilance definitely renders you with the same. If you need any query on the same, just leave a comment in the comment box. Also, I have given the link of these certification details of these certification courses in the description of the video, so don't forget to check it out. So that's all from this one. If found anything fruitful from this, Please do like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Here I sign off. See you in the next video. Till then, stay motivated and work smarter. Good luck.